Oh, Dyson, why can't you do your job? This is my third time sending it out. Goes around, works for about 50 minutes to an hour depending on the setting. Goes back to the dock, fully recharges, comes back out to finish, and every single time it just dies. Don't know why. Once again, all it says is your Dyson needs help. And I come home and it's dead again. So I'm not sure what the hell this guy's doing. I have yet to get it to map my whole house. Anybody have any idea why? And this time it was on low setting. So it actually went around for an hour the first time. Went back charged. I left, it came back out. By the time I got back, it was already dead, just sitting here. So I have no idea what to do with this guy because it can't fully clean my house. Anybody else have this and are having issues with it? It has the latest software update, so I don't know what's going on. No idea. It does not give me any notification as to why. Like I said in my previous videos, the only thing I can think is the dust bin is full. This one, it looks fuller than it actually is. Let me show you. So as you can see, it's not very full. Like half, if that. So I don't think that's the reason, once again. I just don't get it, because it came back and charged all by itself, went back out completely by itself, and every time it just dies, completely dies. All right, so what I'm gonna do next time I run this, might even go ahead and run it again tonight, but when it comes back to charge, I'm gonna go ahead and empty the bin, even though it's not even half full. I mean, it's not even probably a quarter of the way full, because I have these robots running all the time, so it barely even picks up anything. And if that fixes it, and this thing quits working and doesn't even alert me that the bin needs to be emptied, you know, that's pathetic. So I'm gonna try that. Hopefully, if I do that, it can finish mapping the house. I really want to like this robot, but I got a feeling that it's just not gonna be worth the extra money that it costs. That's just a quick update. I'm not really sure what else to do with this guy because it's yet to map my house. Like and subscribe. If you have any ideas for this guy, let me know. Any tests you want me to do, I'll do it for you. Have a great day. Have a great day. See ya.